It's midday and the stock market is selling off again. We got economic indicators this morning that showed that the consumer is stretched thin and has a negative outlook overall compared to previous with the economy. So what's going on? Yesterday we got Walmart, who gave us forward guidance that basically said that the consumer is stretched too far. Prices are too high, inflation. Now we're having to deal with tariffs. Tariffs are driving up prices, and this means consumption will decline. With that, we're going to see increased unemployment. The stock market sold off on that news yesterday simply because Walmart, being the biggest brick and mortar company here, retailer here in the United States, they're a good harbinger of what could possibly happen throughout the rest of the year, 2025, for the stock market. Given that, with the Michigan sentiment numbers that came in this morning, showing us that the consumer, reiterating what we just heard from Walmart, that the consumer is stretched thin and has a less positive outlook on the future for 2025. Tariffs are going to wear on consumption. This will increase unemployment. Inflation. With the tariffs, we're going to see prices moving higher. The stock market selling off 2 days in a row. Now, high growth stocks haven't sold off as much. The NASDAQ is down, but it isn't as down as much as your legacy stocks like the Dow. More importantly, what can you do as an investor if you are sitting on profits going through 2025? We're going to see bigger tariffs, which are going to impact the economy overall. We will see increased unemployment. Remember, we're also seeing federal funding freezing. Because of that, that will push unemployment higher. The stock market will react. We will see more selling. But if you are an investor, how do you protect your gains? Start thinking about moving into bonds. TLT ETF is a bond ETF that tracks the price of bonds. When the stock market sells off, savvy investors will take their money out and go straight into bonds, pushing bond prices up. Interest rates will come down. This is the play long term for 2025. If you've been following me on my Substack newsletter, you'll keep track of how I am playing this market move. I expect the stock market in 2025 to continue lower. I've been buying bonds heavily. TLT ETF is the way to do it.